Let's face it, relationships can be tricky, and sometimes things don't go as planned. Maybe you found yourself in a situation where the girl you're into has lost interest, or your ex has moved on. But here's the good news. Today, we're diving into 6 powerful steps that can help reignite her attraction and make her want you again. First step is to analyze your behavior. First things first, let's take a good look in the mirror. What went wrong? It's time for some honest self-reflection. Think back to the moments when things started to change. Were you too clingy? Did you neglect her needs? Or maybe you just stopped being the exciting guy she first fell for? Understanding your mistakes is crucial. It's not about beating yourself up, but about learning and growing. Perhaps you became too comfortable and stopped putting in effort. Maybe you let your insecurities take over and became jealous or controlling. Whatever it was, identifying these behaviors is the first step to changing them. 2. Keep your life moving. Now that you've identified what went wrong, it's time to focus on you. This is where many guys mess up. They put their lives on hold, hoping she'll come back. But that's not how attraction works. Instead, keep your life moving forward. Pursue your goals, pick up new hobbies, hang out with friends. Show her that your happiness doesn't depend on her. This is not about making her jealous. It's about genuinely enjoying your life. Start that business you've been dreaming about. Hit the gym and get in the best shape of your life. The key is to become so invested in your own growth that you naturally become more attractive. 3. Take care of your appearance and self-esteem. Let's talk about the power of looking good and feeling confident. When you're trying to win someone back, it's easy to let yourself go. But that's the opposite of what you should do. Start by upgrading your style. Get a fresh haircut. Invest in some new clothes that make you feel like $1,000,000. Hit the gym, eat well, and take care of your skin. These changes aren't just about looking good for her. They're about feeling good about yourself. But appearance is only half the battle. Work on your self-esteem too. Practice positive self-talk, set small goals and achieve them. Surround yourself with supportive friends. When you truly value yourself, it shows in everything you do. Did you find the video helpful so far? If you did, please give it a like and type "I am attractive" in the comments below. And if you're ready to level up your dating game and become the confident, attractive man women can't resist, I've got something special for you. Attract Women Like a Pro ebook. That's packed with tips and insights to help you attract women effortlessly. So click the link in the description to download now. 4. Use the power of seduction. Now let's talk about rekindling that spark. Seduction isn't about cheesy pickup lines or manipulative tactics. It's about creating an emotional connection and building anticipation. Start by giving her space. This might seem counterintuitive, but absence really does make the heart grow fonder. When you do interact, be charming and fun. Remind her of the guy she fell for in the first place. Use the power of touch, but only if it's appropriate and welcomed. A light touch on the arm during conversation can create a subtle connection. Make eye contact, smile, and use your body language to show confidence. 5. Control your emotions and expectations. This step is crucial. It's easy to let your emotions run wild when you're trying to win someone back. But showing desperation or neediness is a surefire way to push her away. Practice emotional control. If you feel like sending that late-night text begging for another chance, stop. Take a deep breath. Go for a run, call a friend. Do anything but act on that impulse. Manage your expectations too. There's no guarantee she'll want you back, and that's okay. Your happiness shouldn't depend on her decision. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself, regardless of the outcome. 6. Stop being weak and take control of your life. This final step ties everything together. It's time to step up and take control of your life. Stop being the guy who's waiting around for someone else to make him happy. Set clear goals for yourself, in your career, your health, your personal growth. Take decisive action towards achieving these goals. When you're living a life of purpose, you naturally become more attractive. Don't be afraid to set boundaries. If she's not treating you with respect, have the courage to walk away. There you have it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to download my free ebook, Attract Women Like a Pro, if you're serious about attracting women and becoming the high-value man women just can't resist. Click the link in the description to download now.